Hi guys, welcome to start your day right with Business Talk, Negosyo Talks with Miss Ram every day at 10 a.m. via Facebook Live. You can also watch our recorded video on our YouTube channel, that is Ziwe Shop Official. You can also follow us via TikTok at Ziwe Shop Worldwide Company or Miss Ram, guys. So, ayan, no? As I mentioned earlier or on the previous videos that we had for days, we are on our fourth day in 8 habits of a happy millionaire, creating your wealth in God's way. No? So dito guys, we are talking on how we can be a happy millionaire. Sabi nila, is there a sad millionaire, Miss Ram? Actually, yes, because money is not everything in life, diba? So there's a lot of factors that made a people happy, such as the family, diba? So there is the heart set, the mindset, the health set, and the soul set. If this four sets of yours is happy, then you can definitely say that you are happy. Bonus na lang kapag ikaw ay milyonaryo pa, di ba? Iba rin naman kasi guys kapag you are building your wealth in God's way. At least you are doing more than the purpose of earning the money. You are doing a divine purpose, and that is to, of course, be a blessing to other people. So, for the habit number 4, so first habit is to define your wealth. Second habit is to um, find out your emotional why. Diba? And of course, for number 3, yan ba yung pinag-usapan natin on habit number 3, guys, no? So for the habit number 4, we'll be talking about consistently aggressive, and for habit number 3 is creating your wealth belief or yung paniniwala mo. So for habit number 4, you have to be consistently aggressive. Sabi nila, there is a benefit of setting aggressive and strategic goal or aggressive strategic goals daw. Do not just go on for a smart goal. Dapat daw aggressive strategic goals. Forget the smart goals you've heard about, the specific, measurable, attainable, and relevant and time bound. And start setting your goals that motivate you, goals that push you beyond what you can do, and go for goals that are specific, measurable, aggressive, relevant, and time bound. Would you continue with the status quo, pushing this goal aside because you know that you can achieve it? Diba? If it is attainable naman pala, then I can achieve it. I can attain it. Kaya ko to. So, parang you are just, all right, for this year, our target sales is at 2 million. Simply because you know that you can do. Why not go beyond aggressively on the goals that you have and set it for 5 million per month? But you'll do everything. Because if it is attainable na, magagawa mo na siya eh. What if you set an aggressive goal for you to be challenged and break that status quo and push harder for your goal because you can achieve it, diba? And of course, you can try something new and make it happen. Diba? You just need to break out the status quo because of the attainable goals na attainable naman pala. Why not set up an aggressive goals for you to make it up, diba? You would continue as you are, and because that, maybe you wouldn't even manage to meet that safe, attainable goal simply because you can achieve it, diba? Aggressive goals force themselves into every conversation. They force you to make a plan. They make you think about the future. And what you need to do is to ensure that you reach that goal or at least to get close to that goal. Because if you are aggressive enough to achieve a certain goal, you will do everything. You will want it as much as you wanted to breathe, no matter how hard it will be, no matter what are the challenges that you will face. For as long as the goals that you have are aggressive goals, not attainable goals. Stretch goals to take your fear of failing. Because when we fail, success is actually, or failure is part of success. There's a lot of people that I know na nag-fail muna many times before they succeed. Simply because God is actually preparing you for something bigger than you know, than you can imagine. Diba? So don't be afraid to fail. Be afraid not to try because you won't know na you can do it pala, and use it as a motivator, as a driver for you to do more, because you can be more, you deserve better. Diba? You have to get out of your comfort zone, stretch out your goals, and be aggressive towards your goal because you can do it. Kaya mo to. Diba? So, with that, guys, dito sa Z-Way Shop, we set aggressive goals, not just attainable goals. Because I always challenge my business partners to do more because I always believe that they can be more. And of course, they can achieve more because they deserve better. Diba? So let's get to know Z-Way Shop. Sa Z-Way Shop Worldwide Company, meron kaming business initiative. We have our core values. We are a business by the people, for the people, a business with a purpose, and an innovating business. We keep on innovating. And of course, guys, we have our XYZ formula wherein we help Filipinos to start their own clothing business and fulfill their potential. Because again, I always believe na lahat tayo, bawat Pilipino, kahit ano pang trabaho mo, kahit ano ka pa, kahit sino ka pa, lahat tayo may potential. May potential tayo na maging matagumpay sa buhay natin and achieve our financial freedom with the proper planning and guidance. No? At ang dito sa ZY Shop, I always make sure na nararamdaman ng mga business partners ko na hindi sila nag-iisa doon sa journey nila ng pagnenegosyo. Because we are here, we are their guide, and we are their business coaches as well. And of course, dito sa ZY Shop, hindi ka lang nagnenegosyo kasi 20% ng profit mo napupunta yan sa outreach program natin. So, every quarter, meron tayong pinupuntahang community, mostly AITA community, to conduct an outreach program. At the same time, meron tayong every month na yun nga, outreach program and scholars na mga AITA na galing sa AITA community na sinusuportahan natin sa pag-aaral because we always advocate for education. And of course, yours truly is the ambassador for humanitarian and entrepreneurship, Dr. Ram Dagdag, the CEO and founder of Z-Way Shop Worldwide Company. Dito sa Z-Way Shop, this is the reason why we win big at 22nd Kuala Lumpur, world-class excellence, Asia Pacific excellence, and world-class achiever. The reason is because of the business initiative, because of the core value na meron yung kumpanya namin. Dito hindi lang puro benta, kumikita ka na, nakakatulong ka pa sa iba. No? At the same time, nade-develop yung personal development natin, not as a salesperson, but as a human being. Diba? And of course, Philippines top choice din si Z-Way Shop pagkadating sa mall pulled out at branded overruns sa buong mundo. And of course, guys, no? Dito sa Z-Y Shop, non-stop ang learning para non-stop ang earning para sa lahat ng Z-Y Shop business partner natin. Meron tayong Business Mastery, Fun Day Friday, Tech Thursday, Strategic Saturday, wherein we study about entrepreneurship, digital marketing, and social media marketing. And of course, we have some courses, monthly guest speaker to help us as well for personal development ng aming mga business partner. Again, this is entrepreneurship kasi, and the entrepreneurial journey is not easy. So I am preparing my business partner for a long-term business, no, for a long-term sustainable business. So here in Z-Way Shop, you start, you grow, you sustain your business. We have different programs para sa mga business partners natin kung saan nag-aaral tayo at mas mapalago natin ang ating mga negosyo. So this is ZY Shop Entrep Academy, no? And of course, meron tayong community, samahan ng mga negosyanteng Pinoy na nagtutulungan, nagsasamahan para ma-uplift nila yung bawat isa. Naghihilahan kami pataas kasi malungkot sa ibabaw, guys eh. So syempre, tayo dito sa ZY Shop, nagtutulungan tayo para umangat ang bawat isa. We also have our executive business coaches na gumagabay sa ating mga business partners from start, DTI assistance, BIR, page assistants and all, lahat ng yan, ginagawa ng ating mga executive business coaches. Overall, this is Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. We want you to be part of our business. We want you to start your business. We want you to break the status quo. We want you to achieve the financial freedom that you deserve. Kasi alam ko, kaya mo. Kasi alam ko na naniniwala ka sa sarili mo na kaya mong gawin to. Kaya, take the challenge. Message us directly sa aming page. Call us, or you can also visit our website at CYShop.net. So, you are also invited to our Build Your Own Business webinar, a business orientation para sa mga upcoming members. Every Saturday yan ng buong Marso, 7 p.m. onwards, by Coach Patrick and Coach Michael. So again, guys, this is Dr. Ram Dagdag saying, no matter how slow you progress, you're still a way ahead to anyone who isn't trying. So what you have to do is to start right away and have us one step closer to your dream. All right? So have a good day, guys, and God bless.